Google will unveil the Pixel 11 series on August 12. Ahead of the launch, leaked renders have already revealed the designs of the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and Pixel 11 Pro Fold. New leaks have now shed light on the lineup's US pricing and key specs. Google Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and Pixel 11 Pro Fold prices leak. The Pro XL is expected to feature a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz variable refresh rate and a peak brightness potentially reaching 3,300 nits. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to run on Google's Tensor G6 chipset, with a possible switch to a MediaTek modem. RAM is likely to remain at 16GB. A triple rear setup likely consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultrawide, and a 48MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. A capacity between 5,200 mAh and 5,500 mAh, with 45W wired and 25W wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.